What's up, everyone? This is Matt Rayla with Top Termite Co. Inc. Back with another video doing some new construction pre-treatment. This time we're up in the Palisades, Pacific Palisades in Los Angeles, which was, of course, if you heard about the news from last year, it was devastated by wildfires. Thousands of homes burned down, businesses. It's most of the Palisades was decimated. It was, extremely harrowing and a crazy time. We were actually doing work up there the day of the fires when it started. We've been doing work in the Palisades for 30 years. We work with a lot of real estate agents, a lot of homeowners, a lot of people that we do business with on a daily basis. Lived up there and worked up there, so it was a very trying time and scary, and we're glad that we're back up there on better terms and helping people protect their homes. So yeah, let's get into the video. So we're starting off with the garage, and what we're doing is we call it new construction pre-treatment for termites. The chemical we use is called Bora-Care. It's been around for 20 plus years. It's a great chemical. Basically how it works is the wood absorbs the chemical all the way through, and then it will prevent termites from even attacking the wood. And then if they do, there's some termicide in there that'll kill the termites as well, and it'll kill any termites that are in the lumber currently. So a lot of times the wood that you see right now, it comes in with termites from the lumberyard. So this Bora-Care treatment will kill off those termites that may be there, and it'll prevent termites from attacking the wood in the future. So right now you can see I'm spraying the studs. Really important to get those. Termites like the studs. There's a lot of cellulose content in there for them to eat and build their colonies. Got to make sure you get all the headers and the joists, rafters. So we just like to spray all the way around. Now we're on to the main house. And this is a really great opportunity for all of these homeowners in the Palisades to protect their homes. You're not going to get very many opportunities like this where people are building their homes from scratch, and now we have all of the wood exposed for us to go and do this type of treatment. Just looking at the numbers in terms of what termites do to the industry, there's billions of dollars in termite damage are done every year to homes across the country. So doing preventative treatment saves, a single homeowner thousands of dollars during the lifespan of their home. Typically, especially if you're in Los Angeles, you're near the ocean, like in the Palisades, you're going to be needing to tent your house every 8 to 10 years, maybe even more than that if you're having a lot of issues. And that's thousands of dollars for each tenting. Then you have subterranean termites, which is a whole different treatment. That's thousands of dollars per treatment. Not counting the wood costs that you're protecting, from having to do repairs from termite damage. So all in all, by doing this pre-treatment, you could be saving the homeowner, tens of thousands of dollars during the lifespan of the home, which is great. And we want to be able to do that. So you can see us right now, we're spraying all of the exposed wood, the posts, all of the plywood in there. We got a guy upstairs. Even if there's loose wood on the ground that they haven't used yet, we'll spray it, make sure it's protected before it goes up. And this is during the dried in phase of new construction. So this is before all the windows are installed. Ideally, we can do it if the windows are already installed, but there may be some overspray that gets onto the windows, which we don't want to do that because Bora-Care is going to leave a little bit of stickiness residue on the glass. But this right now is the ideal time to tent. Really easy to get to all the wood. You could see the windows there. They're all wrapped up. They haven't been installed yet. Yeah, this is the ideal time for us to get to all of the wood. This was a really clean job site, really easy for us to get around and do our thing and make sure that we can spray everything. We have a couple different, oh, you can see my dog in the background. We have a couple different methods of applying the Bora-Care. What you see right now is we're using a tank and a motor connected to one of our trucks. And then right now you see our other guy, he's using a backpack. And so you got to pump, it's a pump backpack. You got to pump it every time you spray it. Still very effective. You know, and we can get to everywhere we need to. So really important to do this type of treatment if you're building a home. If you're a homeowner looking to build your home, or you're a contractor, this is extremely vital to protecting the wood inside the home, rather than having to tent the house even after you close it all up, and you know, now you find termite damage, now you got to tent it. Rather than doing this preventative treatment, you don't have to worry about that for many years, which is really exciting for the homeowner. And this is, to do this full house, this is a 2-story detached garage home, probably around 4,000 square feet. This took us maybe 3 hours to complete. And so yeah, that's the end of the video.